Hello and a warm welcome to everyone across the globe. We should be underway very shortly. The players will be with us any time now. The teams then, Barcelona against Olympiakos. I'm Peter Drury, and seated in the experts' hot seat is our man Jim Beglin.
Thanks, Peter. Hello, everybody. Ready to see what unfolds in this one now.
The instantly recognisable sound of the UEFA Champions League anthem, the perfect backdrop to this eagerly awaited night of European football. Now the lineups for the game. Got things underway. Jim, which player is best equipped for this game?
I would go for Robert Lewandowski. As good a centre-forward with his back to goal as I've seen. He can turn and roll defenders for fun. And once facing his target, he has all the finishing skills that...
Oh, he's caught him in or out. Well, the referee has given a free kick just outside the box.
Well, it was deliberate, it was cynical, and you have to understand the frustration of being denied a clear opportunity, but it had to be done.
Lewandowski! Away from immediate danger. Tries a through ball, chance to shoot! Oh, surely that deserved better.
And it just goes to show you how effective those through balls can be. All it needed was a better execution.
Good idea, just poorly executed. Now the pass. And through to the goalkeeper. Passes it through. Olympiakos have themselves a corner, I think. Yes, they do. That's caused a worry or two.
And that is one very relieved man between the sticks. There was no way he was going to get to that, and he knows it. It's been such a positive start. I think the next step has to involve tucking one away.
Some astute defending to ensure they got no further. Looks like a good ball through. It's a long forward pass. It's Lewandowski. Looks to slip it through. He's still going. Where to next? And that's been repelled. Forward it goes. It's beautiful, intricate passing. They are toying with their opponents.
Well, they know that.
Whistle's gone, that's a foul. Lobs it in gently. Oh, good interception. All the way back, and they start again. Gets it upfield. Too much on that, it's gone out. Aimed long and direct. Pushes it out wide. Lewandowski decides to play it back.
Oh, and they really should have been made to pay. Oh, look, I don't need to tell you that that is not a good area to lose possession in, and should it be repeated, I think there's a real chance that the next time they're going to be punished for it.
Needed to be better than that, and he knows it. Lewandowski. Tries a through ball. Now here's the through ball. Minutes till half-time. Out to the left it goes. Gets it back. That's a foul. Simple decision for the referee. Now the pass. He's made sure that that won't get through. Chance! And he's on his way! A potential goal of the season contender, if only.
Well, everything about that was perfect apart from the execution. He could so easily have made them pay then.
Well played, he saw that coming. Tries the route one option. Lewandowski plays it out to the flank. Oh, it's opened up nicely for him. Knocks it towards the front. He slid it through. Plays it out to the wing. Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. Whistle goes, he's been given offside. Deftly done. Referee's had a look, and he's blown his whistle for half-time. No goals at this stage, but certainly not devoid of action. It is 0-0 here at half-time. Here's the start of the second half.
Well, that first 45 minutes didn't deliver as we'd hoped. Lots of effort, but a lack of quality with the finishing has left us hoping that someone can step up and produce something a little more magical.
There's some activity down on the touchline. It seems there's going to be a change. Whipped in. He's there to get rid. Offside, I think. Yes, it is.
Well, it was the early through ball that almost caught everyone out in that instance, all but for our flag-waving assistant referee.
It's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. Looking to force his way through. And that's clear-cut. It's a free kick. And the referee has shown him a yellow card. The protest continues, but in the end, they are defending the indefensible. That's a throw. Lewandowski. And it's Lewandowski. It's come loose. The ball's loose, and he's after it. Battles to win it back. Good defending, albeit from an unexpected source.
Well, they say that your front lads should be that first line of stopping the opposition, and I think he's taken it to another level with his desire to get back and help everyone out.
He's got away with one there. Massive leap! No, he didn't quite meet it right.
Right in front of goal like that, and he's gone and missed it. I won't have to tell him that's not good enough.
That's one way to make your presence felt.
I would agree. It's tremendous play. He's full of belief and imagination and hard to contain.
Can he find a finish now? Oh, the keeper's done ever so well.
Keeper has shown great concentration there. I think his anticipation pretty much did the trick for him.
Towering header! And oh, he's got that completely wrong. Who's going to make this theirs? Pumps it forwards. Tried to play it through.
Yeah, and the vision to get him through was all good, but the execution of the pass wasn't quite right. But importantly, he's holding his line until the very last moment, and that will pay off.
Going for goal! Saved only by poor finishing. It's Lewandowski, looks to slip it through. Nicely controlled. Well, the defence got the better of him this time, but I'm sure he'll go again. Passes it through. It's a decent ball. Well, that's a foul. Free kick's been given. Well, that looks like a final warning. Still no card. Well, it's a safety in numbers approach to defending here.
Yeah, but dropping deep can bring more trouble.
Yeah?
Well, shots from distance and space in wider positions, besides the obvious issue of inviting most of your opposition high up the pitch.
That a foul? Yes, the referee's given it. And he's going to have his name taken.
Well, that was coming, Peter. You know, he was on a final warning after all.
Drills one in. He's gone for it! No mistake! Finally, the deadlock is broken! Lovely goal, perfect poise to set himself for the strike. Olympiakos draw first blood here.
Look, experienced voices need to be heard now, along with good purpose and urgency, and they can get right back into this.
Good challenge, he just stood firm. Yeah, that does look a foul. Referee's given a free kick. So they got the only goal to make it 1-0. With a delicate ball, well positioned to make that interception. Keeper's got good distance on that. Now it's Lewandowski. Spoon forward. Lewandowski. Well won, that's good play. Tries to get it forward quickly. The ball has crossed the line, and it's a throw.
Well, you have to feel a little for the player being taken off here. I think he's been made the scapegoat after that, but I guess something had to be done. I suppose it did need a little change.
This is quite a run, and he's not done yet. That's surely a foul. Free kick. Just a talking to, I think. Yes, it is. So, another set play. And out to safety. Looks like a good ball through. Delivers across. And he's got his range wrong there. Pumps it upfield. Olympiakos are on the verge of a pretty special win, but they've got some hanging on to do here. Looks to slip it through. A chance! Well, the ball's come loose and the chase is on. Danger averted for now. Just a few more moments for them to hang on. Crunching tackle. And that's it. Olympiakos hold on. It's a narrow squeak, bit of luck, some judgment. 1-0 the score at the final whistle. So what do you take away from it all, Jim?
There's a solidity about them, almost as if they set up not to lose and see how things unfold. That eases the pressure on the strikers, who can afford to be patient, and it's all paid off.
My thanks to Jim. We both wish you a very good evening.